Hi everyone, this is the Santorini Dave guide to volcano boat tours. There's no way you should visit Santorini and not do a boat tour. Sailing on the caldera on a yacht or catamaran is stunningly wonderful and the best way to appreciate the island's remarkable geology. Let's get right into what you can expect. While we use the word sailing, sails usually don't go up on the catamarans, as you'll be motoring the whole way. The majority of tours depart and return to Vlychada Marina on the east side of the island, though plenty also originate from or return to Ammoudi Bay, the popular cove harbor lined with great seafood restaurants below the clifftop village of Aegean, or the Old Port, accessible via steep path or cable car from Fira. Now, everything featured in this video is explained in greater depth at santorinidave.com. Plus, you'll find links to our other detailed videos about all things Santorini in the description below. Most tours will pick you up and drop you off at your hotel. There are a variety of types of cruises, and they're all great. One choice would be a private tour, which is expensive but great to splurge on, or makes sense if you have a large family or group. The most popular option is to join a group tour. After a brief safety talk, you're off on an ocean adventure, sailing the Aegean Sea and Santorini caldera. Regardless of your departure location, itineraries on all boats are similar, taking in the island's unique geology, the famous red beach, jagged cliffs, Akrotiri lighthouse, the hot springs, and other caldera highlights, with plenty of opportunities to swim and snorkel. Most boat tours include lots of food and drinks, usually unlimited, with grilled seafood and meats, different salads, wine, and beer. There's also a bathroom on board and a shady indoor space to chill or relax. They provide fins and snorkels and life jackets, foam noodles, and other treats that make the adventure fun and safe. If your boat tour includes a stop at the volcano, it's a good idea to bring tennis shoes or sturdy sandals to protect your feet from the sharp, rocky terrain. Don't worry too much about which tour you book. They're all great. Emphasis should be on getting something booked in advance before they sell out for your dates, especially if you're traveling during the high season. While arriving at or departing Santorini by ferry is often a magical experience, it's a straight shot into the port or out, and a completely different experience than the intimacy of a caldera boat tour. Check out our Santorini travel guide for more information, including where to eat, what to do, ferry port information, the best beaches, wineries, hikes, and more. We've also got lots of other great travel guides to Greece and Europe at santorinidave.com and across this YouTube channel. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to see more super useful travel videos about Greece and beyond from santorinidave.com. Thanks for watching.